This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to link USAA to Chime. Whether you're managing your finances or sending money, linking your accounts can make everything a lot easier. So, let's dive right in. To start, grab your phone and open up the Chime app. Make sure you're signed in with your credentials. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your details. Once you're in, you'll see the home screen with various features at your fingertips. Next, you'll want to tap on the option that says Move Money. This is where you can handle all your transfers and deposits. Once you tap on it, look for the section labeled Transfer from Other Banks. This is the place where you can link external accounts, which is exactly what we're aiming to do today. Now, you'll see an option that says Link External Account. Tap on that and then hit Continue to proceed. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to search for the bank you want to link. In this case, type in USAA. Once you see it pop up, go ahead and select it. At this point, you'll need to log into your USAA account. This process is straightforward. Just enter your USAA credentials to access your account. This step is crucial because it verifies that you are the rightful owner of the account and allows Chime to establish a secure connection. After you've logged in, you'll need to complete the verification process. This might involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code through email or text. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you'll be asked to select the specific USAA account you wish to link. Choose the one that best suits your needs for transfers to and from your Chime account. When you've made your selection, tap Continue to finalize the linking process. And just like that, you've linked your USAA account to Chime. This seamless connection means you can now transfer funds more conveniently between your accounts, making managing your finances a breeze. And there you have it. Your USAA account is now linked to Chime. By following these simple steps, you've set yourself up for more efficient financial management. You can now enjoy the ease of transferring money without the hassle of juggling multiple apps. If you encounter any issues, both Chime and USAA offer customer support to help you out. But hopefully, everything went smoothly and you're all set. Thanks for watching and happy banking.